am so actually amazed by this tomato tree. It's been ripening, guys, and this is what they look like. And there as well, they're everywhere. So we picked some already, and our two neighbors already got some, and so they go all the way in there, guys. I don't know if you can see them, but these tomatoes are everywhere, and it doesn't stop growing. Look at these tomatoes. It's gone all the way to the fence. This is an amazing year for tomatoes. We have some ripe ones back here. Yeah, just great ones. And they're big, they're good sizes. Look at these ones. These ones are not bad either. This one also. Hey guys, have you ever seen callaloo? Callaloo seeds? This is what callaloo seeds look like. Ah! Yeah, lots of it. I'm telling you. So we're saving them for, I'm gonna close up so you can see. Here is a close-up of it. And so we are going to save these, guys, until next summer. It is very tall, gone all the way up there. Very, very tall. Go all the way down there. That's how tall this tree is. Hey guys, you come to the right place. I just want to show you some raspberry in these trees. So every day for the last 5 days I came here and I've been picking raspberries. So what I do, I just pick them every single day, because if I don't, they just fall off the tree and just go to waste. So what I will do is just pick them, freeze them, and whenever I am ready for a smoothie, I just take them out and use it just like your frozen fruits or veggies, you know, whatever it is. But yeah, this is a great way for you just to pick your berries and freeze them, and you will have them for a while. Look at these guys, they are beautiful. And I mean, like I said, I've been picking them for 5 days, and every day it comes out, the tree have so much on it still. So under this tree there is a lot. Just want to show you the difference with the tree. This is not fall, but you can see these trees, they're almost red in sizes or in color. This is summer. And here's another one. Well, trees are different here. I don't know in other countries if they are, but as you can see here, they have different shades. Take a look at this one. This is green, and this is almost like red. And this one down here, I mean, it's drying up, but it's yellow in color. Pine cone tree. I have lots of pine cones in it. This is the one that's very small. Lots of pine cones, guys. They just fall off the trees, and guess what? I saw them in the store. They sell all these pine cones in the store. I hope you can see them. It's loaded.